Hello lettering friend, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights, and in this video I'm going to unbox the Archer and Olive Valentine's Day box. So this is the Love and Self-Care box. And yes, it is April right now. I bought this on discount, so that's one cool thing about Archer and Olive. If you are not ready to spend a lot of money on some of their things, if it lasts, if it didn't sell out completely, then in a few months it does go on discount. So I really wanted this Valentine's Day box. I will show you why, but I wasn't ready to spend that much money on it. And then just last week I was scrolling through Archer and Olive and I saw that it's on sale now and it's a really good price. I'm definitely willing to spend that for what it is. So here's the box. It's this beautiful pink color. I love it so much. And then it opens like this. So this is the popper, and I think there's confetti in here and stickers. And then here's some cards. I'll open these up in a little bit. Here's the acrylographs, and there's a few new colors in here. And then here's the keychains and the notebook. Okay, the notebook is the reason that I bought this. So I'm gonna save this for last and show you why it's so perfect, why I had to have it. First, I'm gonna open up this popper. I will open it into the box because I'm not actually excited about all of the confetti. Okay, so this is the popper and you're supposed to pull the tassel. So let's see. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Oh, there is some fun stickers in there. Okay, so I'll pull out these stickers and show you those, but I'm not really sure what to do with this. I guess I could take off the tassel and use that for something. Maybe I can try and take off the top of this and use it as a heart in my journal. I mean, I guess you could glue it back and use it as a little ornament. Okay, these are really cute. The stickers have their pair. So it's like the Valentine's, you know, tea and lemon, stars to my moon. And then the little paper clips, it's more like a binder clip. That is going to be cute to use somehow. I didn't like cleaning up the confetti from that box, but at least these are cute. So here are the results of the popper, everything that I saved from it. I was able to get the hearts off, so that'll be fun to use in my journal. And then I also got the tassel off. So I'm excited to figure out how to use all of this. Next, let's open the keychains. Cute. I love it. This ice cream cone with the flowers and an ice cream chuck. Oh, it's so cute. I'm really excited about these. Next are these little postcards. So let's open up this. You're the stars to my moon. We go together like tea and lemons. We're the perfect pair. You're the donut to my coffee. And then postcard layout on the back. So those will be fun to color and send. So I just colored these with my 2-year-old and she had a lot of fun. I had fun. We're gonna send these to cousins and grandparents. I think these are so cute. Next, let's open up these acrylograph. I have a lot of different colors of the acrylograph pens. Ooh, I really like these colors, especially the pink, of course. And then I like the mix of pink and orange together. So this is going to be fun. So to get these going, you shake them up a lot and then you start pressing down like any other paint pen. And the ink will start flowing. You can see it starting to come down. There it is. So these acrylographs work really well on black paper as well. So I'm going to swatch them on white paper and black paper. Both of these are Archer and Olive notebooks. So I really like this color palette. I think it is a nice choice of colors. I normally use rainbow colors, so I'm not sure how I'll be using these, but maybe with the stickers because they match the colors of the stickers. And yeah, I mean, it's always fun to kind of try a different color palette, and this comes with its own color palette. And I do love pink and orange together. I love how these show up really well on the black paper as well. The light pink hardly even shows up on the white paper, so I think that one's going to be a little bit harder to use. I think it would be nice to layer it on top of the other colors, because that's one thing that these pens are really good at, is layering on top of each other. So I could see the light pink being really cute as a detail on the dark pink maybe, and even on some of the oranges. It shows up really well on the black though. I really like this dark pink. I'm not sure if I have an acrylograph in the same color of pink already. And you know, I love my pink, so I can see myself using this one a lot, probably the most of all of them. I love Archer and Olive notebooks because the paper is really thick and it kind of feels fancy as you're lettering in it, but you don't need a really fancy journal to be able to start a handlettering journal. This is just if you want to splurge on yourself a little bit. Okay, let's open up the journal. This is the main reason that I bought this box. So first of all, this box is a new design, which I think is super cute. Check it out. Look how pretty that is. It's the same ice cream cone design. I love it. And it's the pink. And I wanted more pink journals because I have a lot of the other colors, but Archer and Olive doesn't come out with pink ones that often. I was really glad that it didn't sell out before it was far enough away to be on a discount, because I thought it was the perfect price. And I just looked today, there's still some available. It's not going to last forever, so if you want to get this as well, if you liked the pieces in here, I do have an affiliate code where you can get a percentage off. It's not going to work on something that's already on sale, but if you add something else to your cart that isn't on sale, that might help you out a little bit. And really quickly, I wanted to show you this journal that I bought from Archer and Olive. It's not available anymore. This was a collaboration with Simply Gilded, so it came with this really cute washi tape. And the reason I bought it, even though I have so many Archer and Olive journals, I bought it because, look, it's pink paper. The edges are gold, and then it's just this really cute pink. And the washi tape looks so pretty with it. So unfortunately, this one sold out really quickly, so it's not available anymore. Archer and Olive, they launch new things pretty frequently, and I believe it's on at the end of the week, like Thursday or Friday, and you want to watch their Instagram because they always tell about it, so that's how you won't miss it. So if you are interested in the self-care and love box on Archer and Olive's website, you'll click on the menu and go to new, and in that menu you'll see self-care and love box. And like I said, I don't know how long it's going to last. Once it's gone, it's gone. But I hope this helps you to be able to get something fun on a good discount. I also wanted to show you that today it's randomly snowing. So it basically could be February, even though it's April and it shouldn't be snowing. But I guess it's fitting for this video. If you want to see my full review of Archer and Olive, I will leave that video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.